What's up my good people, welcome guys to the Seniors channel, and in today's video we'll be learning more how you can be able to make money online with zero investment. So all you need to do is just click the link in my video description, and after you click the link in my video description or the link in my comment section, it will take you direct to Google Play Store. And in Google Play Store you'll be able to download the Mara wallet, then after you download the Mara wallet, register for an account, or that is sign up for an account. After you sign up for an account, you'll have earned yourself 2 USD, what you call the sign up bonus. After you have earned yourself the sign up bonus, you can go to invite your friend and earn more money on this platform. What do I mean when I talk of the Mara wallet? Mara wallet is just like what you call the Binance wallet. Most people know what is a Binance wallet if you have ever done anything to do with the crypto, that is cryptocurrencies. But Mara wallet is just like the Binance wallet, where you'll be trading that is a USDT or the different currencies that are available globally. So on this platform, currently this is a new platform, and there are so many promotions that are ongoing, and you can go to grab these promotions for free. And the first promotion is the sign up bonus. All you need to do is just click the link in the comment section or in the video description, download the app and create an account. You earn yourself 2 USD, and if you want to keep earning more and more on this platform, that is with zero investment, all you need to do is just click this and tab, click the and tab, then you just need to click the share my referral link. Then after you click the referral link, you realize that you can go to share this platform with your friends. You can go to share this platform with your friends, and every single person who joins with your invitation link, you earn yourself that is 1 USD. Then your friend will also earn 2 USD, that is a sign up bonus. So if you happen to refer to send a link, for example, to 10 friends, or that you share your invitation link to 10 friends, and all those 10 friends sign up on this platform using your invitation link, you have earned yourself 10 USD, and those friends will have earned themselves, that is each of them will earn themselves that is 2 USD. That is what we call the sign up bonus. Then you can invite more and more people, and you will keep earning more and more money on this platform. There is no limit to the number of people that you can invite using your referral link, and this money actually you can go to catch out. You can go to withdraw it to your mobile phone. You can go to catch it out in your bank. It's very easy. So all you need to do is just create an account. Just click the link in my video description, create an account. After you create an account, then start inviting your friends. Like myself, I just created this account just like a day ago, and you can see after creating an account, I shared my link on that is on my Facebook account, and you can see currently I have almost close to 8 friends who are already signed up using my invitation link. And you can see on this side, you can see I have earned myself 1 USD, 1 USD, 1 USD, and also I earned 1.40 USD, 1 USD. So the more friends you invite onto this platform, the more money you earn on this platform. Actually, you are earning money on this platform with zero investment. You don't have to invest anything. You don't need any capital. You just need to share this link with your friends. That is you just need to share this your link with your friends too, so that they can to sign up on this platform using your invitation link. It's very simple. That's all you need to do, guys. Actually, on this platform we create videos on how you can be able to earn money online with investment or with zero investment. So all you need to do is just hit that subscribe button, so that anytime we upload a new video, you can be able to receive a notification, so that you can always stay on high alert and be able to earn yourself more and more money. That's all we have for today, guys. Goodbye.